Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here, owner and managing attorney of Your Path Family Law, serving the metropolitan Kalamazoo, Lansing, and Detroit areas. Today's No Bullshit November topic is student loans. This is one of my favorite topics to talk about with divorce, especially as the people who get divorced get younger and younger, and they start to be the millennials that are getting divorced or the Gen Xers that are getting divorced who are carrying student loans into their divorce. So one thing that I hear from people all the time is, what's going to happen to my student loans? Aren't I responsible for those alone, or are they divisible? And the reality is that, guess what? The law has not settled this yet. There is no specific law in Michigan that says this is what has to happen with a student loan. Instead, your student loan is going to be treated like all of the other assets, and we're going to look at its character to determine whether it's separate or marital. So for me, I like to look at a situation and say, okay, did these loans accrue during the marriage? If yes, were they for just the education portion? So were they only paying for tuition? Or were you taking some of those loans out to live on as a family during the marriage? Because to me, if you were living on it, you were kind of treating that student loan kind of like a home equity line or a personal loan. And a home equity line or a personal loan would definitely be a marital debt that would be divided. So it's really important, if you have student loans, that your attorney is digging in with you a little bit about when those loans accrued, what they were for, whether you ended up getting a job because you went back to school and got that degree, or if that ended up being like just a hobby and you ended up doing something completely different with yourself, or if your spouse did. So I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any other topics that you want us to talk about related to divorce, we'll be here 3 times a week in November with these videos. Leave us a comment below and I will be sure to do a video on your topic. Thank you.